Hello, fellow green thumbs, welcome back. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of alkaline soil-loving plants. If your garden soil is leaning towards the alkaline side, you're in luck because we're going to discuss fruits and vegetables that flourish in this environment. Our first star of the alkaline soil garden is asparagus. These tender spears are a true delicacy. Asparagus prefers a slightly alkaline soil with a pH level of around 7.0 to 8.0. Growing them in alkaline soil ensures robust growth and delicious harvests. Imagine serving up fresh asparagus with your dinner straight from your garden. Next on our list is a vineyard favorite, grapes. These luscious fruits are perfect for making wine, jams, or simply snacking. Grapes thrive in soil with a pH level of 6.0 to 8.0, making them ideal for alkaline soil conditions. Planting grapevines in such soil ensures optimal grape development. Harvest your own grapes and enjoy the sweet rewards now. Let's talk about a versatile vegetable, cabbage, from coleslaw to sauerkraut. There are so many delicious possibilities. Cabbage prefers slightly alkaline soil, with a pH range of 6.0 to 7.5. Alkaline conditions can help prevent clubroot disease and promote robust cabbage heads. Grow your own cabbage and elevate your culinary creations. Moving on to a nutrient-packed leafy green spinach. This powerhouse vegetable is a must-have in any garden. Spinach prefers soil with a pH level between 6.0 to 7.5. Alkaline soil conditions can enhance the flavor and texture of your homegrown spinach. With alkaline soil, you can enjoy nutrient-rich spinach in your salads and smoothies. Lastly, let's discuss a sweet and delectable fruit, figs. These treats are perfect for snacking and making preserves. Figs thrive in alkaline soil with a pH range of 6.0 to 7.5. Alkaline conditions promote healthy root development and bountiful fig production. Imagine plucking ripe figs from your own tree for a delightful summer treat. And there you have it, gardening enthusiasts. A guide to some fantastic fruits and vegetables that thrive in alkaline soil. If your garden soil leans towards the alkaline side, consider planting these delicious and nutritious varieties. And if you have any alkaline soil-loving plants you'd like to add to the list, share them in the comments below. If you've got acidic soil in your garden, you're in for a treat because we'll be discussing fruits and vegetables that absolutely thrive in this environment. Our first acid-loving star is the blueberry. Blueberries love acidic soil, and they reward you with sweet, juicy berries. Blueberries thrive in soil with a pH level between 4.0 and 5.5. So, if you have acidic soil, it's time to start your blueberry patch. Imagine picking fresh, homegrown blueberries for your morning pancakes. Delicious. Next up, we have rhubarb, the tangy delight that's perfect for pies and jams. Rhubarb plants prefer soil with a slightly acidic pH of around 5.0 to 6.0. Acidic soil helps develop those vibrant, crisp stalks that are a must for your favorite desserts. Plant rhubarb in your acidic soil, and you'll be baking scrumptious pies in no time. Now, let's talk about a kitchen staple. Potatoes. Did you know that certain potato varieties thrive in acidic soil? Potatoes like a slightly acidic pH level of around 5.0 to 6.0. Growing them in acidic soil can help prevent common diseases like scab. Plant your potatoes in acidic soil, and you'll have the key ingredient for your homemade fries and mashed potatoes. Moving on to a classic Thanksgiving favorite, cranberries. Cranberries are famous for their tart flavor, and they thrive in acidic, peat-rich soil. A pH level of 4.0 to 5.5 is ideal. Imagine making your cranberry sauce with fresh, homegrown cranberries. It's a game changer. Lastly, let's not forget about radishes. Those zesty little root veggies that can add a punch to your salads. Radishes are not too picky about soil pH, but they do best in slightly acidic conditions, around 5.5 to 6.8. Acidic soil can enhance their crispness and flavor. Plant radishes in your acidic soil and you'll have fresh, crunchy additions to your salads all season long. And there you have it, folks. A guide to some fantastic fruits and vegetables that absolutely thrive in acidic soil. If your garden soil leans towards the acidic side, consider planting these delicious and nutritious varieties. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gardeners. And if you have any acid-loving plants you'd like to add to the list, let us know in the comments below.